decorate the house for the holidays. As you can see, it looks a little bit better on Memorial Day. Sandy's out here trying to get things done. Hold up, Sandy. All right, all right. Sandy's getting things done here for the holidays. Jeremiah's playing. The place is looking a little different. Let me she wanted me to get some water, so let me get with that. This is our house here. I was ordered to get some water, and I don't have on my patriotic shirt right now. I'm going to get with that and get it going. Stand out here doing stuff. It's Memorial Day 2013. Just trying to enjoy myself.
You take so long to come with the water. And if you're raging about to burn everything you can.
That's what it is on a holiday. That's how you do it on Memorial Day, buddy. If that's my little saying. That's how you do it on Memorial Day. Get that fire going, buddy. Get that food going. Make that jerk chicken. Make the ribs. Sam's doing it up right here on Memorial Day 2013, May 27th in Pewaukee, Wisconsin. Take a look at the food. Sam's getting down. Take a look at the chef.
You crazy.
Am I saying? Getting down, brother. Getting down right here. Getting down. Right here.
All right, things are
And Nika,
under control now.
look at this, Nika.
Things are on the control.